This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Biscuits Preppy Kitchen only way. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and gather cold butter, flour, baking powder, salt, and buttermilk. Use a light touch when cutting butter into flour to retain flakes. Chill dough briefly before shaping for taller layers. Bake until golden brown and flaky, then serve warm with jam or butter. Enjoy the simple technique that yields consistent, restaurant-style biscuits every time. Start by measuring ingredients accurately and keep butter cold for flaky layers. Use a pastry cutter or 2 knives to cut butter until pea-sized crumbs form. Gently fold in buttermilk until dough just holds together. Avoid overmixing. Turn dough onto a floured surface and press to 1-inch thickness. Use a sharp cutter and avoid twisting to maintain rise. Rest cut biscuits for a few minutes before baking. Then bake immediately. Quick recommendation: if you love reading while baking, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for glare-free reading and long battery life. It fits easily on crowded counters and keeps recipes handy without messy hands. Small and waterproof features make it kitchen-friendly and ideal for cooks who read. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. See the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep cutters cold by chilling briefly between uses to prevent sticking and collapsing. Arrange biscuits close for soft sides or spaced for crisp edges depending on preference. Brush tops with melted butter or milk for golden sheen and sprinkle with flaky salt if desired. Rotate pan halfway through baking for even color. Let biscuits rest 2 to 3 minutes before splitting to preserve internal steam and maximize tenderness, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.